Now if you look down inside this tank, you see all that crud down in there. This tank has had baby shampoo in it for 31 days. And it is a mess. The more I pour out, the dirtier it gets. Maybe I can get this light where you can see down in there. There we go, it's a little better view. It's built on the sides of the tank and the bottom and everything. This is why it's so important to have a filter in the bottom of your tank. If you're not gonna do proper maintenance on the tank or have good water and a good solution. And I'm gonna give you one of my trade secrets. This right here is denture cleaning tablets, a Quate brand. I'm gonna put 3 in this tank. When we put this in here, you can see it's boiling, cleaning this stuff up. I'm gonna put the lid on it, and I'm gonna shake this thing up. It gets all up on the walls of this thing. Good tank maintenance goes a long ways, guys. Clean your tank, maintenance your tank, slip and stick your film. Don't see an antique? This is what I use, still use. Pin lock, predetermined pop-off valve. This thing's ready to go. That pop-off valve there is set at 130. You don't have to modify it. Guys, Rodney McClure, Ace Window Tinting, Vengeance Tools, Gasket Pro Tools. I'm nothing but a tinner that's been doing this for 35 years. And this is the stuff that's worked for me. Does that mean it's to end all in? Is it the law? Is it what everybody should do? No, it doesn't. I'm giving you my perspective on it and what it does and why it does it. It's 6:30 on Thursday night. Time for me to go home. I just wanted to do this for you guys because, like I said, I sell a lot of tools and we've been blessed, and I would like nothing more than to help all you guys. God bless America, and God bless you guys. Have a great day.